Nutrition Now, PB8 with Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium review. Description: 60-day supply. Supports digestive health. Vegetarian formula. With Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium species. Dietary supplement. What's not in PB8? No milk. No gluten. No soy. BPA-Free bottles. Suggested use. As a dietary supplement for adults, take 2 capsules per day. Other ingredients: vegetarian capsule, cellulose, water. This product contains no gluten, eggs, milk, peanuts, tree nuts, or soy. Warnings: 14 billion good bacteria per serving at time of manufacture. Bacteria count will vary after time of manufacture. Store in a cool, dry place. Best if refrigerated after opening. If you have a medical condition, are on medication or are pregnant or nursing, please seek the advice of a qualified healthcare professional before using. Take only as directed. Do not exceed suggested dosage. Do not use if inner seal is broken or missing. Product is best if used before date on bottom of label. Keep out of reach of children.
Customer reviews. For more reviews and prices, click link in description.